Yo, good afternoon guys, we are going home now. Good weather today, just right, the temperature. Yeah, they are putting maybe fertilizer on the grass. I am not in the mood to do the pull-ups, but I will still do. So this is how it is at the moment. There are some people in there, also in here. Actually, these people, they are doing this kind of kite surfing. Yeah, more car, and the bus. Yeah, he is relaxing in here at the moment. Yeah, very rare to see that boss is staying here for a moment. Maybe he is ahead of time, so I mean he has time, so he stopped there. If I push a little more, I can do 50. Or maybe the pull-ups. Nothing, not on that side. They have just the, you know, the chin up. Okay, we do one more set. Okay, I did 10, but not perfect. And that's it. We go now. You know, this is a copy. This is from 12 o'clock, 11:30 actually. Until now, it's still a little hot. Good afternoon. There is a family, and there are more people on that side. They are fishing. They catch one regular size fish. The kids are very happy, and as usual, all those black swan. Okay, we're now here in the Albura Marina. I'm feeling tired. We're just going to sit in one of the benches in there before going home. But looks like all the benches are occupied. Oh no, there's one empty. Yeah, we go in the middle, the last one. And this is how it is at the moment. There are some ladies in there. We're just going to stay here for a little bit, rest a little bit. Oh, this coffee is left over from lunch around 11:30. Yeah, still a little hot. Yeah, because this one is like a thermos. You can keep the water and the temperature, hotness will stay longer. You know, here in Australia, the waiter, they are always giving a cup of coffee to the cook, to the chefs. Even before, when I was working in Sydney, yeah, the waitress, the waiter, they are giving coffee to the cook, to the chef. They will ask you, chef, you want a coffee? Something like that. In Dubai, No, not allowed. In the Philippines, no, not allowed also. At least in my previous experience, work experience, yeah, it's not allowed. But here in Australia, it's allowed, it's okay. Yeah. And so basically in the morning, they gave us cup of coffee. And yeah, I am drinking that while working. Sometimes I didn't finish and it's already cold, but I put it in the microwave during my break time and it's hot again. And I drink that. But I noticed that whenever I do that, I always need to go to the toilet right after. That's why I'm not doing that anymore. So today what I did is yeah, I throw the leftover coffee and I made this new one. Yeah, there are so many kukatu up there. If you can see that, 1, 2, there is more on there. And there are more everywhere around here. 3:20 already. We are going home now. You know, the sunglasses is like watching a cinematic environment. Nice looking, really. And we are going to be just walking in here. I like walking in here because it feels relaxing. Okay, we are now home. It's already yeah, 15 minutes to 4 o'clock. Yeah, I've been outside since 2 o'clock after my duty. And now I'm going to do my laundry. 64 minutes more. We closed that because it is noisy. And now I'm preparing my meal. Let's open this first. Yeah, I just put it here. This is coming from the chiller. We're going to eat this chicken today. Yeah, this is breast steaks with chili, garlic, and rosemary. Very dry. The rice is dry. The chicken is dry. So yeah, this is one of the reasons why I prepare jasmine rice over basmati rice, because the jasmine rice is still like a moisty soap. The basmati rice is dry. When it's left over, it's dry. Good for fried rice. This is now my second round. I cuts it. I will show you. We throw it in the toilet. Oh, because there is a small space. Yeah, that's why the ply comes in. So yeah, this is my second round. And you know, this chicken is good if you have deep soy sauce and calamansi or lemon, but I don't have. So it's dry like this. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Look at this, so many beautiful flowers. Yeah, nice. Those flowers are really beautiful. Can go on, pretending day by day, and the world has come together as one. I was about to go to the Corlet store to buy fish and chips, but they are closed. Written on the door is we are closed due to robbery. Robbery? How come? We are the world. Okay, again we're going to do a little a little pull-ups. Feels like it is so good to just stay here for a little bit, relaxing, but yeah, it is going to be weird for some people to see me sitting here. I made it 10 and it feels good in here, and it is sore in here. Yeah, that feels really tiring. But feels good too. Yeah, that's it. It's really tiring. And this is here at the moment. This is how it is at the moment. There are some cars in there, they are leaving now, and these people they just finished. They are coming from the water. Here we go. Actually, I am going to show you first how it is on the water, because you know it feels the temperature is good for the people who wants to be in the water. Yeah, like sunbathing. Yeah, but this beach is actually not really designed for swimming, because many people with dogs are walking yeah, in this sand. There's one guy, he is sleeping in there in the shaded area. Okay, we go. And leave me one moment of time. You know, when I was doing the chin up pull-ups, I feel like I can do more. Yeah, I'm just lazy. Maybe tired because of coming from work. Okay, we just stop here because I am going to take some water. Go. Girl, you are to me all that a woman should be, and I dedicate my life. Oh, we are not going home yet. We are going first to the marina. Tonight I celebrate my love for you. In the midnight sun, it's gonna shine, shine. Okay, this is where we're going to stay for the moment. And yeah, there are many people on that side. They are sitting also on the ground, sunbathing, swimming, and that's a big group of tourists in that dolphin watch ferry. Nice. Also in here there are many people. Those people that are actually coming from the ferry are, looks like they are students. As you can see from here, they are wearing a uniform. So it's kind of excursion again. Oh, look at that. Those two kids, they are so cute. They are walking in the water. And that ferry just arrived, coming from Tea Gardens. Okay, we're cooking this rice. Okay. Okay, we're going to cook some of this. Yeah, if you remember, this is coming from Philip. We're going to put it together with the rice.